Now available on Tata Sky channel number 526.
Pradeep Sinha has called in from Pune. Pradeep, how can we help you?
I have a question on condominium that we have, and there are two parts to the question. We have something like 20 odd members in the condominium, and one of them who resides outside Pune, outside India, has a tenant occupying his apartment, and the tenant or the owner has not been paying the maintenance outstanding, which became due in January. So the question is, first part of the question is, what are the legal recourses that one has to try and get the maintenance out of this, either the owner or the tenant? That is the first question. And the second part of the question is that is there any permission on on taking up any restrictive measures like barring the entry of the tenant's car, or not allowing the garbage collection from his apartment, something like that, to force him to come back to making the payment.
So you want to see if you can take any restrictive measures to ensure that the man pays the maintenance, and also what are the legal measures? Uday, can they stop basic services
Kavita,
like garbage collection?
I like your term is restrictive measures and legal measures. So restrictive measures may be illegal, but what I am coming to is that as far as the legal measures are concerned, if the dues are accepted and there is no dispute about the dues, then I am talking of the maintenance dues of the condominium. They can file a summary suit, civil summary suit, and this summary suit they can go for recovery of the dues, and latter part of it they can attach the properties and auction. Now, as far as tenant is concerned, there are a lot of questions whether this tenancy agreement or registered agreement was given to the society, whether the police verification is given to the condominium. These two requirements are there of the law, and if the agreement is not given and the tenant is in the possession, then they may I am saying stop the entry, because tenant is not recognized, and that can be a trespassing in the sense the society is condominium's property. But here the condominium, the difference between society and condominium is they are individual owners. So therefore the legal option that this condominium has is to file a summary suit and go for recovery. Others, they'll have to take the local consultation and see what best can be done in terms of restrictive measures. But if the tenant, they have accepted an NOC is given by the society, then there would be a problem. I would not advise to do such a restrictive practices, and it is better that you go for recovery suit, file a summary suit. If the dues are accepted, recover and go for attachment of properties, the dues will be paid.
Right. Uday, where do they file the summary suit? Because if it's a cooperative housing society, you can go to the registrar of society.
Yeah, it's the civil court. They'll have to file in civil court. Where is this place?
Pune.
See,
Pune, ISS.
This is a condominium, not a cooperative housing society.
Right, which is
Yes,
precisely why I asked that question.
Therefore, you will have to go to civil court. Otherwise, you would have gone easily under 101 for recovery proceedings with the cooperative registrar, which cannot happen here. You will have to file a civil recovery suit or a summary suit in the civil court.
Right, so Pradeep, you will have to go to the civil court and file a summary suit, a civil summary suit.
If the liability is accepted.
Right, that is if the party is concerned, that is the landlord and the tenant both accept the liability. If not, you
tenant
can go
is not much concerned, Kavita. What we are concerned is with the landlord, the owner.
Right, the owner. And if the owner is not willing to pay the liability, then you have every right to file another suit in the civil court and ask for attachment and auction of that particular property.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.